Hello everyone, welcome back to Akash Talks. So today's video is different kind of video. You can call it's a podcast with ISC 2021 students and इसके अंदर हम deep में जाके डिस्कस किया एक क्लास 12 के स्टूडेंट्स के साथ and how they are feeling regarding the postponation of examinations and थोड़ा ये समझने की कोशिश किया उन लोग का थॉट प्रोसेस क्या है, क्या माइंडसेट है एंड आफ्टर द गॉट CIS's ऑफिशियल नोटिफिकेशन उसके बाद उन लोग का रिएक्शन कैसा था ये लेके एंड इसके साथ भी और बहुत सारे और क्वेश्चंस हैं. आई होप कि अगर तुम ICSE, ISC, CBSE या फिर क्लास 9 से लेके 12 के स्टूडेंट्स हो तो ये वाला एपिसोड बहुत ज़्यादा एंजॉय करने वाले हो. सो डू वॉच द फुल वीडियो एंड उसके बाद मेरे को बोलना कैसा था हमारा नया एपिसोड. Hello everyone, welcome back to Akash Talks. So today we have Ashmita Saha from St. Xavier's Institution and she is IAC 2021 student. So hi Ashmita, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine also, but बहुत ज़्यादा कोविड बढ़ गया है इसके कारण थोड़ा चिंतित हूँ. So मेरा यार कुछ क्वेश्चंस रहेगा तुम्हारे लिए या फिर जितने भी IAC के स्टूडेंट्स फॉर देम is that कि what was your reaction when you get to CISE Council's official notice regarding the exam postponation?
First of all, after the declaration of CBSE notification that the exams are getting postponed,
Yeah.
we at the back of the month we knew that our exams would be getting postponed also. But unfortunately, CISE took 48 hours to say the same thing.
Yeah.
They took so much time from us to say the same thing. So that 48 hours was a period of very tense and nervousness because we were thinking, are they introducing any new method or should we study? Should we stop studying? But when we got to know the message notification at that end in the evening, I remember, I was like, yeah, I knew it will happen, but all the efforts I have given up to the time before examination, those efforts got wasted. So I felt bad.
Another thing is that कि a lot of people means मैंने यार एक पोल किया था उधर I think 78% student has already said that we want that exam should have get cancelled. So what's your opinion regarding जो postponed हुआ तो क्या ये postponed जो किया गया बाय CISE काउंसिल फॉर क्लास 12 तो क्या ये करना चाहिए था या फिर क्या ये कैंसिल कर देना चाहिए था लाइक ICSE के लिए जैसे कि किया था. व्हाट इज योर ओपिनियन रिगार्डिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक?
अब ICSE क्लास 10 का बोर्ड से and means ISC is for class 12 and after class 12 we are entering the college and that's a means a better sphere of life and the biggest sphere of life. So for means ICSE is getting cancelled, so that will not affect much the students because they are getting into 11, which is again a school. But if the exam gets cancelled for us, it will be very bad because we will not be getting the deserved marks we were expecting from us, and we will not be get admitted to the colleges of our choice.
कि बोर्ड्स भी नहीं हुआ, कोविड भी बढ़ रहा है, पोस्टपोन भी हो गया, पढ़ाई भी करना पड़ रहा है. सो कैसा मेंटलिटी कैसा लग रहा है अभी इस टाइम में? आई वांट जेन्युइन आंसर.
Yeah, I'm giving you a genuine answer only. Right now, there's a hodgepodge going on in my mind, and not only in my mind, I think it's going on in every ISC appearing student's mind. That should we study or should we leave studying for ISC? That will the exams be conducted or will it get cancelled? And then we are also starting preparing for the entrance exams of the colleges because we know that if the exams get cancelled then entrance will be tough, so we need to get into the colleges by any way. So COVID is also rising. There's no excitement of exams getting cancelled or postponed because we cannot enjoy, and also there's another thing going on in mind that should we study or not. It's hodgepodge.
What do you feel? Yeah, hodgepodge, very good thing. What do you think that is exam should have taken in the month of February or March? मतलब जो यूजुअली होता है क्योंकि उस टाइम में कोविड कम था, इस टाइम के ज्यादा 3 लाख 3.5 लाख जैसा केसेस नहीं आ रहा था, प्लस 30% सिलेबस हैड आल्सो बीन रिड्यूस. तो क्या उस टाइम में बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन कंडक्ट कर लेना चाहिए था? व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दिस और विद दैट?
Yes, I think because I know it's an unpopular opinion for many students out there.
Yeah. बहुत लोग वीडियो को डिसलाइक मारेगा इसके कारण.
Yes, I know it will be an unpopular opinion for many students out there because they are means many students I have seen in my means through in my contacts that they are happy with the postponement of the
Yeah,
exams. But I
but
think
जिस
that
दिन जिस
exams
दिन
should have taken.
जिस दिन उन लोगों को रियलिटी पता चलेगा ना, लाइफ का असली हकीकत, उस दिन अफसोस करेगा.
Yes, I shared one thing on my WhatsApp status, and a boy abused me for sharing my thoughts about the postponement. He said that you don't know that you are getting freedom. I know what the freedom is. This you are just making a grave for yourself.
Yeah,
But yes,
absolutely.
I believe that it would have been better if the councils had conducted the exams earlier in the month of February and March. That is the normal time
uh
because the COVID cases were much
Less
fewer
on
then.
that time, yeah. Acha, another
Yeah, yeah.
question, I think it was some kind of out of context, but as you people are coming to college, means you were from your teenage to the reality of your life, you're coming, and you most of you are
Adult.
going to get above 18, means you're eligible for vote. So
Mhm.
being a resident of West Bengal, what do you think? पॉलिटिकल रैलीज के कारण क्या कोविड इंक्रीज हुआ है? अगर पॉलिटिकल रैलीज हो रहे हैं तो व्हाई नॉट एग्जाम्स? ये बहुत सारे लोगों का क्वेश्चन था.
Yeah,
So what is your opinion?
I think
What do you think?
my opinion is also this that if the political rallies can take place, the exams could also have taken place because political rallies
Obviously.
started much before our
Yeah,
exam
yeah,
this
yeah.
phase. And, and still now going on means until this many days the leaders and the people realize that it's not okay to do the rallies, but until then it was means in a full force it was going on, which I think was not okay with the population. They shouldn't have done that.
Very intelligent answer, and it's a very relevant answer that you have given. Acha, another important question, that is what's your opinion? Should CIC cancel class 12 board like ICSE and marks provided on the basis of unbiased and fair criterion, or they should have conduct the examinations after the COVID is over? What do you think? I know it's a lot of pros and cons in this question, right?
Yeah, yeah. Pros
So
and cons. I on the cancellation of the exam, the pros are very little. That we don't have to just hang between the studies and no studies. We can just relax. And the cons are much in this context that we will not get the deserved marks. We will
yeah.
not get admitted to the good colleges. And postpone if council is thinking of taking exams, they should take it after COVID. Like I will say the
अच्छा अच्छा, okay, you have
cancellation
told
is
अच्छा after
worse.
COVID, okay, very good, but क्या तुम बोल सकते हो कि 1.5 महीने के बाद कोविड चला जाएगा? क्या तुम बोल सकते हो? तो कैसे
No, I
डेढ़
can't tell
महीना,
that.
या अगर तुम नहीं बोल
No,
सकते हो तो 1.5 महीने के बाद कैसे काउंसिल को पता चलेगा कोविड चला जाएगा? लाइक दे कैन अरेंज फॉर एग्जामिनेशन. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
I know, Miss. I know that the like I don't know about anything the COVID how it will rise or fall about that, but I think council and most of the authorities might know that what that means they little have idea about what can come because they are in the higher authorities. They see the world much bigger than
Better
us.
than, yeah,
What we said,
absolutely.
what we
Another
see.
another thing that I have like about you, that कि तुमने कुछ भी बोर्ड के अगेंस्ट नहीं बोला, कोई टीचर के अगेंस्ट. मतलब बहुत सारे लोग मैं ये देख कमेंट कर रहे हैं कि बोर्ड ने ये क्यों किया, व्हाट इज अप जेरी तुम सर ने ये क्यों किया, वो क्यों किया. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो सिचुएशन कुछ ऐसा है कि वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द सिचुएशन, राइट? एंड तुमने जो बात बोला कि हाँ वी हैव टू
Yeah.
अंडरस्टैंड द सिचुएशंस एंड इसके बेसिस दे शुड हैव एक्ट. एंड अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल और की जो एग्जाम्स कैंसिलेशन के लिए है या फिर लड़ रहा है कि एग्जाम्स कैंसिल हो जाए, ट्विटर पे ट्रेंड कर रहे हैं. हाँ, तुम्हारी बात एकदम सही है कि प्रोज भी है, कॉन्स भी है. प्रोज काफी कम है, कॉन्स बहुत ज्यादा, ऑब्वियसली फॉर क्लास 12 स्पेशली. सो इतना कुछ सिचुएशन देखने के बाद एंड तुम लोग यार लाइक 2 साल से, लाइक 1.5 साल के ऊपर से कोविड, एंड तुम लोग स्कूल भी एकदम से नहीं गए 1 साल तक. सो योर सजेशन फॉर कमिंग ISC 2020 स्टूडेंट्स, क्या सजेशन अपने जूनियर्स को देना चाहते हो कि तुमने 1 साल में जो भी चीज झेला या फिर जो भी हुआ इसके अगेंस्ट?
I hope, like I literally hope the world gets better in the
Yeah,
next
we all hope the same.
the times coming because we know what we are going through. I don't want my juniors and the junior batches to get through this problem because it's very difficult to do online classes and study through online classes, especially for class 12
Yeah,
when it's such
obviously.
a high standard board exam.
I
So
have a
I
question in
will.
my mind right now कि कैसे एक साल तक पूरे ऑनलाइन में पढ़ाई किया and all, but I will not going to ask because we're going to do this kind of podcast in another session. If the students, अगर तुम लोग जो अभी देख रहे हो इस वीडियो को, अगर तुम लोग चाहते हो कि दीदी ने एक साल तक कैसे पढ़ाई किया तो उसके लिए हम अलग सा एक कोई पॉडकास्ट करेंगे. हाँ, कंटिन्यू. सॉरी फॉर इंटरप्शन.
It's okay. So I would say my juniors that don't lose hope. Good days will come. Like
Yeah.
bad days cannot continue for long. Good days will come. Keep studying because study and education is the only thing that matters in life.
Yeah,
And
absolutely.
keep studying and don't lose hope because you will get your board exams no matter what.
So thanks a lot, Ashmita Saha, for joining us with this
Thanks.
interesting podcast. And we've discussed a lot of topic regarding the examinations, regarding the people like you, those who are going to give exams, board examinations 2021. But exams कुछ हद तक नहीं हुआ. अच्छा, और एक क्वेश्चन, जो क्राइटेरियन का बात कर रहे हैं, लाइक तुम भी आईसीएसई के स्टूडेंट्स थे, तो एक स्टूडेंट्स मेरे को कमेंट किया था कि मैं भैया पूरे साल इतना पढ़ाई किया, बट राइट नाउ ये क्राइटेरियन के कारण सबको तो एवरेज मार्क्स मिलने वाला है, राइट? सो तुम्हारा एक 92% तुमको मिला था आईसीएसई में, तो तुम्हारा क्या मंतव्य है इसके ऊपर, या फिर क्या ओपिनियन है इस चीज के ऊपर?
Opinion is same as the student you mentioned. Like he said, what I would say the same thing because cancellation of the programs lead to the wastage of the whole year's effort.
Yeah,
Whatever effort
absolutely.
we given to study and to secure a good marks, the
Yeah.
whole effort gets wasted. And
yeah.
the average marks is not what we deserve. At least the people who
Obviously,
study
यार.
for the whole year.
डू एग्री विथ योर पॉइंट्स, क्योंकि यार मैं भी यार स्वयं इस जगह चीज से आया. एनीवेज यार, क्या कर सकते हैं, वी हैव टू एक्सेप्ट व्हाटएवर the decision that has been taken by our authority like CISE Council and CBSE too.
Yeah, we
So
cannot
thanks.
do anything about it.
So thanks a lot, Ashmita, and those who are right now watching this
Thank you.
video, do share with your friends. हमने ट्राई किया डीप में जाके सोचना कि तुम्हारे मेंटलिटी में क्या राइट ना तुम लोग सोच रहे हो एंड rather क्या हो सकते हैं. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment us in the comment section. And अगर चैनल के अंदर नए आए हो तो सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हो for getting this kind of video. So thanks a lot, Ashmita. एंड होपिंग केयर कि बहुत जल्दी हमारे जो भी सिचुएशन चल रहा है पूरे देश में यार वो ठीक हो जाए, हम यही दुआ करते हैं. दैट्स आवर प्रेयर एवरी टाइम. सो बी सेफ, मास्क पहन के बाहर जाना, एंड थैंक्स अ लॉट
Same to you.
या ऑब्वियसली मैं घर से निकलता नहीं हूँ राइट नाउ, इतना कोविड स्टार्ट हो गया है, क्या बोलेंगे यार. सो थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर ज्वाइनिंग एंड all the best for your IAC examinations. Thank you.
Thank you so much.